So yeah, you know, my buddy Derek, he came over and put the oil pan on this thing because he's gonna KAT it in his white S14. You know, I showed you guys the other day. But yeah, these are his wheels. So we mounted some tires on them. They're these work VSKFs, and they're like 12 inches wide. We put a 255/35 18 on them. So stretched it, you know, a little bit. They poke like hell on the front. I got a 25 mil spacer just so it'll clear the brakes. But this is no spacer on the back with the 50 mil overs. So they look pretty sick. You can really tell how shitty my paint match is, but yeah, so those look pretty cool. I got some kooky tells. I had some S15 front stuff, you know, like that S15 hood right there that's under all the dust. But S15 hood, S15 headlights, S15 bumper up there that I'm trading for a kooky front bumper, and you know, a whole kooky front end and some cash. So I'm gonna be throwing some kooky tells in here. But yeah, so I just figured we'd throw these on there just to see. These are the only two that he has. He had another set, but they didn't have the chrome faces. They had like some gunmetal ones, so he just got the lips on these. Yeah, they're a 6-inch lip in the rear. So that's pretty cool.
Right now I just have it mounted up to my handlebars and I call it good.
Do you use it at all?
Yeah. I got it with me because I want to get some right now.
Yeah.
And then there's a lot of sunflowers out there.
Right in between? What do you mean? Like in between the visor and that little vent?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it wasn't straight at all.
That should be good, huh?
That's cool. It actually.
Yeah.
So
Hey,
you can
Johnny.
see what your.
Yeah, you could actually see what's...
How long does the battery last doing?
third, second, first?
I'd almost just try second the whole way. My pipe on this little next section.
Yeah.
To go between those rocks.
Well, shit. Came out this morning. Big Dirty's tires all leaked. So yeah, I decided to do a detail on Big Dirty. Some of which needed it. I cleaned the shit out of the wheels, and then I did that little black detailer stuff on it, the wax and stuff, and then I, waxed the rest of it and polished the hood, and did a few other little things. But yeah, shit, you look at that reflection. You can see all the shit on the shelf. But yeah, and then I put this front bumper, off that 2012 or 2014, whatever, 2011 to 2015 front bumper on it, and just kind of deciding, just to kind of get it on there and see how it looked. But yeah, so hopefully I'll maybe be doing a front end conversion here soon, converting the whole front end to look like the 2015. Gonna get the fenders and the hood and the headlights and the grill, and then like this little piece right there that, goes behind the wipers. I was gonna paint match the topper and then repaint my back bumper, because I had a trailer on there one time, it popped up, and banged it a bit. Was riding my dirt bike. I got a damn nail in the son of a bitch. Now I gotta put a tube in there. Test fitted Derek's wheels, and then he came and, you know, stole them back from me. And I almost bought a set, but I was like, oh shit, too expensive. So yeah, this next week I should be dicking with this a little bit, messing with the nitrous kit, installing a window switch, and trying to diagnose the charging issue. I painted, you know, the hood and the bumper on a Honda Accord that this girl wrecked, and yeah, that's about it. I didn't get too much video shit, but stuff happened. But yeah, that's about it.